National Transportation Safety Board says changes need to be made to railroad crossings after 4 people from Central Texas were killed.
Almost a year and a half ago, a train slammed into a charter bus that got caught up on a railway crossing in Biloxi, Mississippi. 38 people were injured, and many of those were from Bastrop.
KXAN's Jacqueline Powell explains why the NTSB says railroad company CSX and the city were at fault.
What began as a fun trip to visit Mississippi casinos aboard this tour bus left dozens of Texas tourists' lives forever changed.
You look out the window and here's this big train coming right at you, and you know it's not going to stop in time.
Survivors like Dwayne McCurvey recalled the trauma after the crash.
People in the aisles, people that were bleeding profusely.
38 people were left with injuries, and loved ones of the 4 who were killed.
I can't believe she's gone. It just doesn't seem possible.
Were left to suffer. An NTSB report released Tuesday says both the city of Biloxi and the railroad company knew that this crossing wasn't safe. Since 1976, there have been 16 crashes and 2 deaths in the same spot. Even after work was done to the crossing in 2014, it wasn't enough. The NTSB says numerous vehicles still got stuck. Since this crash, the NTSB has made a number of recommendations to different agencies to make crossings like this one safe. And here, at the site of the crash, trucks, buses, and recreational vehicles are no longer allowed to cross. Jacqueline Powell, KXAN News.
The NTSB is calling on railroad operators and governments to do more to evaluate and fix railroad crossings. But last year, we revealed there is very little information available about problems with local crossings. A search of Federal Railway safety records shows no listing of locations in Central Texas where there are hump railway crossings that buses should avoid. And out of 27,000 crossings in Texas, KXAN found only 36 statewide. Ultimately, identifying problems is up to who maintains the road of a steep crossing. Typically, that falls with the city or the county. And last year, we learned that Williamson County had seen the most fatalities at rail crossings over a 10-year period in Central Texas. They told us today they will review the NTSB report and then inspect all of their rail crossings.